Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening up Barbie Stroll and Play Pups. Oh, this was the last one in Target.
Let's see.
Huh? Wait. Huh? Oh. So here's our Barbie doll. She has a beautiful stripe, white with pink, dark blue, yellow, orange, and teal, with some pink tied shoes. And so here we have the dogs that actually looks like they can move their hands, I think. And here's their cute stroller that you can push in, so it will be one, or you can keep it out, so it's for two, so it's for both. And you can slide this like that. Okay, and last we have this cute, adorable teal colored thingy that they eat out of.
Food bowl.
Food bowl, and we also have this cute pink food bowl as well. We have this cute little tiny water bottle for the Barbie. We have this one frisbee that's nice and purple. And then we have two bones that is an orange one and a yellow one. And then we have this cute adorable bag that we can store everything inside of. Thank you everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!